supposed to be the happiest day of some freshmen or some first year students in my university, and guess what, we are matriculating today. I was just kidding. So I ain't matriculating today. Actually a final year students, which you all know. So today is a matriculation day in my university, which is a virtual, or someone would say a virtual,
but still we enjoyed.
It's a virtual. Like, how can you say virtual? All right, that is ECC students for you. All right, so today, which is 5th March 2021, I want to head over there before I go to work this morning. So I'm just going to see what's up to give you guys an update. And the funny aspect of this virtual matriculation, the reason why I really wanted to vlog it is because they made it for only the university course reps, that is the freshmen. They made it for only the university course reps, level 100 only. The other ones attending and probably media people, whatever. COVID protocols are going to be highly observed. So I got my marks here. I'm ready to head off. And yeah, I'm not matriculating, but hey, I just decided to dress like this. Today is a Friday, a happy Friday indeed. So I'm just going to step out now. I'm vlogging probably from the entrance of the university through to the premises of the program, which is the Jofos Anamwa Conference Center. So I'll just give you guys how things are going there and head back to work because your girl is still a teacher. All right guys, so see you guys at the entrance of the school. Coming around to take some videos.
Very important.
Very important.
Very important. This how we go to
You shall grow by the power of God. Shall be
Okay there guys, so I finally got to the auditorium and we had not started as at 9 because the time slated was 9 a.m. So as you could see, the matriculants were already in there, so they were just waiting for the convocation to get in there before it starts. So should I even say, as per the university's constitution or rules or whatever, before a gathering like this starts, the convocation needs to be seated before everything starts. So since they were not seated, whatever thing that they were doing in there was not official yet. So as you can see over there, that is the university convocation comprising of the VC, the Pro VC, the registrar, senior lecturers, HODs, SRC, GASAG, basically the hierarchy of the whatever. So just enjoy guys. Ready? So that was the school chaplain starting the event with an opening prayer.
College of Learning Education, Dean of Faculty, Director, IDER, Director.
So in case you are wondering who is speaking, that is the university's registrar. So he was given a welcoming address.
This morning to matriculate 2020-2021 regular students receiving various programs on the Viva and the Dumafu campuses. We are enjoined by the statute of the university to organize matriculation for fresh students of the university. Statute 71 of UUW Statute 2020 provides as follows. A person shall be matriculated after he or she has been properly and lawfully admitted into the university and duly registered.
Chancellor, Acting Pro Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Principal Officers.
So the next speaker was Professor Kankam, who is also the Dean for Graduate School. So he also had to matriculate the graduate students, the postgraduates, and the rest. Yeah.
Registration for 2020-2021 academic year. 2,286 fresh students have registered at the school.
Our fresh postgraduate students of the School of Graduate Studies, those represented and present here, and those elsewhere who are participating virtually. You are about to take the matriculation oath and declaration of obedience. You will repeat after me when I say I. Then you say I and mention your name.
Okay, there, guys. So just to chip this in, the first people to be matriculated was the graduate, postgraduate students. They were matriculated. They took the oath, the university's oath, which officially, how should I put it, welcomes them into the university. And the next batch of people to be matriculated were the diploma and the undergrad students. Yeah. The oaths are all the same, but they just had to do it in that order. So the first people that took the oath were the postgraduates, and the undergrads and the diploma students took theirs. Then afterwards, the vice chancellor gave a speech.
For the following program: Winneba Campus, regular programs. I start with the Faculty of Educational Studies. EL Basic Education, upper primary P4 to P6. EL Basic Education, AHS option specialization. EL Early Childhood Education, KG to P3. EL Counseling Psychology Education. EL Community-Based Rehabilitation and Disability Studies. EL Special Education, Post-Diploma Counseling Psychology. Post-Diploma Community-Based Rehabilitation and Disability Studies. Post-Diploma Early Childhood Education. Post-Diploma Basic Education, Diploma in Community-Based Rehabilitation and Disability Studies, School of Business, BBA Accounting, BBA Human Resource Management, BBA Banking and Finance, BA German and French Education, BA Linguistic and Free Education, BA Communication and Media Studies, Faculty of Science Education, BSc Physical Education, BSc Mathematics Education, BSc Sports Coaching, BSc Integrated Science Education, BSc Physics Education, BSc Chemistry Education, BSc Biology Education, BSc Information and Communication Technology Education, BSc Health Administration. Students from Winneba and Edward campuses, wherever you are, please rise and remain standing.
Our fresh undergraduate students, you are about to take the matriculation oath and declare declaration of obedience. You may repeat after me. When I say I, you say I, and mention your name loudly. I do solemnly promise to be a loyal member of the University of Education Univer.
To be a loyal member of the University of Education Univer.
To study diligently. And to conform to all statutes.
And to conform to all statutes.
Regulations and rules.
Regulations and rules.
Insofar as they concern me.
Insofar as they concern me.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you. You are finally matriculated. How's it?
Distinguished invited guests, distinguished freshmen and women, parents and guardians, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, good morning. On behalf of the University of Education Winneba, I have the pleasure to officially welcome all of you to this virtual matriculation. My dear matriculants, your resolve to study at UEW. In the past few weeks of your studentship, you have shown great tenacity, resilience, and hunger to succeed in your academic pursuits. I have been particularly...
Okay, so that is the Vice Chancellor of the University of Education Winneba, and he's the one giving the last speech before the program comes to an end, or the event comes to an end, or the ceremony comes to an end.
We, the members of this community, are elated to join at this ceremony to officially induct you as junior members into this great academic institution of scholarship and professionalism. I wish to assure you, my dear matriculants, that you are at the right place. As an academic community, we are committed to building and sustaining a global center of excellence for teacher education. Matriculation confers on you, my dear fresh students, full membership, vision, and special management of our prestigious university, and to be inspired by them, I do hereby matriculate you, admitting you to the rights, privileges, and responsibilities of the faculties and halls of residence to which you are affiliated in the University of Education Winneba. Congratulations. Thank you.
So that is it. That ended the matriculation. So officially the level 100s have been officially matriculated into the university. So that is the conclusion. We are done now. We are done matriculating. So let's go outside and let's go down. Young go down. You think you'll be crying in interview? Make her take pictures. Makainka last 2 years, last 3 years, you're all over 100. Cool peeps, some matriculation, Instagram,
In 30 seconds, I want you to tell your friends, family members out there about this university. In 30 seconds.
I'll use this opportunity to tell my colleagues and my friends and my family that the University of Education.
Two of the matriculants around, and we just want to ask them how they feel because the video is very lengthy already. So, sisters, can you tell us your name?
Okay, I'm Christabel.
Christabel. Okay, Christabel and Masol Ayene. In which department?
Economic department.
Okay, economics. So, how do you feel, Christabel? Can you pull down your waist mask a little bit for them to see your lips?
Oh.
I want to see your face. Okay.
Okay, for now, I feel heavy, like being matriculated, I feel like I'm part of the school now. Because whilst we're not being matriculated, they were calling us freshmen and freshmen.
Oh, but you're still freshmen, don't worry.
Nah, but at least we've been matriculated. So we are now endorsed and we are accepted by the administrators of being part of the school.
Alright, so what are your expectations?
You have so many expectations as you have been matriculated into a university.
Sure.
As we heard the Vice Chancellor said that the matriculation comes with a duty, and we owe it to ourselves to learn hard, to be disciplined, so as to become best students and responsible members of our country.
Okay, so I'm sure you're aiming for a first class, right?
Yes.
Alright, so I think I would wish you all the best in your journey through the 4-year journey in the university. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Alright.
About his academic work and that kind of stuff. So, in fact, I think it's a university that instills much discipline in its students.
Okay, so he says that it's a university.
Alright there guys, so finally the virtual matriculation is over. So as you can see, freshers were just outside taking pictures because it's very important for you to get memories of this important or special day. So thank you guys for watching today's video. It's still your favorite girl, Shejackiesays, your hostess with the mostest, bringing you the hottest, the juiciest, tonight I'm out. Peace guys. It's been a minute. This is your girl Shejackiesays, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog, where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and